Okay guys, here's what we got going on today. This little disc is supposed to be soldered into that, and this is the points off of this old 30's model delco light tower. I don't know if it's the ones that are supposed to be on it, because you can see this set up here. That's what actually pushes against it to hold it on that other contact. Chances are it's probably not the original ones. I think this piece is, just judging by the word advance and the arrow. That looks like something to be on it from the 30's. I got this from a guy, and he said when he bought it, he asked if it would run, and the guy that had it just literally hooked up a bunch of wires, and he gave the flywheel here a kick, and it fired right up. So this guy buys it, brings it home, and never could get it to fire. Well, what he did is he had a cigarette lighter plug with the positive and negative hooked to the positive and negative on the coil, but what he didn't do was have a ground run to the block somewhere. So I got it to where it would start firing, but the points were real dirty, and I was trying to clean them, and when I did, that little disc fell off. And it's almost impossible to find these. I looked somewhere online, and they said you can get like an old Ford 390 set of points and they'll work. No, it's completely different. Even the little arm, I can't I can't take the arm off and make it work on here. So what we're going to do today, we're going to try to clean this all up real good with some brake clean, and we're going to try to solder it back on with my little power probe torch here, a little butane torch. So let's get this thing cleaned up. Put a little flux on here. Now we're going to try to get this off and attach it to there. I don't know. Pull that off. Oh no. Oh no. Well, I think I can sand that off. Okay, so I got our points in. I think they're going to work. I don't know if that's going to fire or not. Hopefully it will. You see the spark there. Probably what I'm going to have to do is build something to spin this up. It doesn't have a lot of compression anyhow, so that's a lot of it. But at least we got our points working, so that's a big plus. I'm not sure what's going on with the rest of this thing, but we will play with it some more later. So just goes to show you can silver solder these points and make them work. Hope you all enjoyed the video, guys. There'll be more to come on this old light plant. We'll get it running. I doubt it's ever going to put out electricity, you know, with the shape those cloth wires are in, but we're going to try. So hope y'all enjoyed the video, and we will catch y'all on the next one. Later.